Hello, everyone. I'd like to talk about the homework 3.7, Calculus 1, question number 1. This homework is, they using different notation with our textbook opens text. So I want to do this one. Okay, so first too early morning. First one, let us do, so they're using df over dx. This means we want to find the derivative, the function in terms of x, right? Now, when x equal to -9, so what's the derivative of this one then? The derivative. So derivative of x, which is 3, right? Now, we want to substitute when x equal to -9, then look, there is nothing x here, so that we cannot substitute into the x, right? So we just keep this constant. So it will be 3. All right. Second one, we're gonna find the inverse function, right? So this one is, we find the derivative of the function, okay? Now, we have, let's say that y equal to 3x minus 7. Look, then we change that 3, what is called y minus 7. Then we have solve for y, right? So we get x plus 7 equal to y and over 3, right? Correct? I don't make a mistake, right? Now, this is the inverse function, but then look, normally we say that this, like that, right? That is inverse notation in this case. But then look, they said, oh, we have to write down in terms of y, okay? So we're gonna change it to y. Look, y plus 7 over 3, which is inverse of in terms of y, okay? Can you see the difference with the x here and y? So if we are using x variable, then everything should be x. Since the homework asked us the y, then we're writing as y, okay? All right, this is the answer. Now, what this means? This means we want to find the derivative of the inverse function, right? Okay. Then let's take a look, C part. We have the formula of derivative of the inverse function. So we denote it this way, right? Prime of x. Okay, then this formula says 1 over, let me use a different color, 1 over f prime of inverse of x. Okay, now let us write down, this will be 1 over f prime of inverse of x. Look, they said that we want to find here, right? When f over -9, and also they give us the question, right? So look, can you see that they have inverse of prime of that, right? Can you see that inverse of prime of that? Then x acts here f of -9, right? But they said y, yeah. they're using just a little bit different, but it's okay. We can just using X here. Okay. How about notation? Let's just change that. I want to follow. Okay, because they're using Y, but in the next lecture, I was using X, right? Yeah, notation. Let me change that. Change the notation. Okay. All right. Now, they said y equal to f of -9. There will be y, right? Okay, then look, f inverse of 9, right? So we're gonna inverse of 9. Hold on one second. inverse, I'm following that. Y equal to f of -9. That's better, right? Then look, what do you have this one? What do you have? We can have -9, right? Because let me just say using X because we learned that way, right? We have they inverse each other, then we get this, right? Okay, then we can say that this is equal to -9, right? Or you can work, what is the f of -9, which is that, plug in, then we can find what's the inverse of that and that, all right? But this is easy to calculate. Now, we have 1 over f prime of -9, right? Then we had, what is the f of -9 there, okay? So that will be A, right? Can you see that? F of -9, which is 3. So we're gonna do that. 1 over 3 since f prime of -9 equal to 3. Okay? So this homework notation slightly different with our textbook. That's why I want to do this one. All right. I hope this one helps you. Thank you. Bye.